Welcome to the release overview video for CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence 2.0. CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence lets your mainframe operators and mainframe management team visualize and explore current and historical performance data from across your mainframe from one location. This solution uses machine learning to predict behavior, improve collaboration among your team, and optimize performance continuously. Data science algorithms provide the team with embedded and predictive analytics. CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence models your data and provides multiple tools to analyze it in your web browser. CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence 2.0 supports 50,000 metrics per minute. So, what's new in this release? As you know, the current release already provides a common services infrastructure and an appliance that lets you view CA Sysview and CA Netmaster metrics, and you can send alerts to CA Ops MVS Event Management and Automation. Now in CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence 2.0, this video will provide information about the following new features and why you would use them, including User Interface Enhancements, such as the multiple alerts display, additional informational tabs when you open an alert, and solid green pattern highways, then the SMF Adapter for loading SMF records into CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence for 70 Subtype 1, 72 Subtype 3, and 74 Subtype 1 SMF records, and the CA Vantage Storage Resource Manager Adapter for your storage metrics. Now, let's start with how the User Interface Enhancements can help you. In the previous release, the Alerts table displayed multiple alerts for the same metric in multiple rows. In CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence 2.0, the Alerts table now shows the most recent open alerts for the metric in a single row, and it also provides the history of all the samples so that you can see the respective metric value against the date and time that the sample detected. This enhancement reduces clutter in your user interface, and it helps you determine the root cause quicker because it tells you exactly at which point of time the metric value spike occurred. When you select an alert, it opens the green highway and it now also presents additional tabs, including details about detection time and values, severity reasons, the CA Ops MVS automation response, and you can also open the alert and explore and analyze. Then you have annotations, where you can add a comment about this alert while monitoring anomalies, and history, which tracks the date, time, and metric value. Some other UI enhancements in this release let you view only open and active alerts from the Alerts console. A new toggle lets you turn off the incoming stream of updated alerts. For alerts of all statuses, you go to the Analysis page from Explore and Analyze by selecting a specific metric. Refresh and load the Alerts panel with recent detected alerts. Close the open alerts from the Alerts console. Show when the Alerts panel was last updated. Use more sorting and filtering options. For more details about all the UI enhancements in this release, see the release notes. Now, let's see the enhancements to the green highway displays in this new release. The green highways are a summary of past metric behavior at specific stages of your system's business cycle. These summaries display as solid green highway bands. CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence 2.0 now introduces patterned green highway bands. Before the solid green highway displays for a metric, you will see a patterned green highway. This initial patterned green highway shows that only limited historical information is available for a metric at this time. In this case, you may have just added a new metric. As CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence captures more values and applies machine learning to the metrics, you will observe that the green highways switch from patterned to solid. This shift indicates that the solution has learned their behavior. This new release has even quicker learning capabilities than the previous release of the solution. Now, let's talk about the new SMF Adapter. You might be a customer who does not use our mainframe products such as CA Sysview or CA Netmaster, but you still want to leverage the core capabilities of our solution to view anomalies and alerts based on SMF record data. In this release, you can give mainframe engineers and the mainframe management team a historical view of activity and performance for the following SMF records: 70 Subtype 1, 72 Subtype 3, and 74 Subtype 1. Based on this historical data, the solution uses machine learning to predict future performance, which can help you avoid potential performance issues for CPU, workload, and device activity. Let's talk about why the SMF Adapter might be right for your organization. SMF 70 Subtype 1 records show you information about your processors. You can use this information to identify high CPU users. Imagine a scenario during your 4-hour rolling average. You import this SMF data, and you will understand the utilization of each processor on specific LPARs. You will identify tuning opportunities so that you can look at high CPU usage and you can eliminate the big users. And you will identify jobs and workloads that you can tune with high consumers first and then reduce operational costs. You will see the benefit of feeding this SMF data to analyze historical data against your current data and identify anomalies. In this example, you are selecting an SMF 70 Subtype 1 metric for the actual number of consumed MSUs. After you select Analyze, you view the green highway for this metric. You can also create reports and dashboards for your SMF data. In this example, you are creating a report for the actual number of consumed MSUs. Look how quickly you can add the metric so that you can create your report. You can also create dashboards based on your SMF data. To learn more about how to create reports and dashboards, view the product documentation. Now, let's talk about 72 Subtype 3 records. These 72 Subtype 3 records show you information about workload performance that lets you identify the CPU usage by service class period to get the average response time, understand your batch workload performance, and understand your resource consumption data for CPU and storage. This solution also lets you load SMF 74 Subtype 1 records. These SMF 74 Subtype 1 records show you information about your devices, such as DASD storage. You can identify the least and most utilized devices, and you can understand the overall utilization of your storage or ZOS devices. You can take advantage of the SMF Adapter for these 74 Subtype 1 records if you are not a CA Vantage Storage Resource Manager customer. If you are a CA Vantage Storage Resource Manager customer, CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence now lets you view and analyze your historical performance data. This data gives the storage administrator and the mainframe management team a historical view of activity and performance. This adapter lets you look at the following types of metrics. Catalog metrics let you identify the abnormal behavior of a specific catalog. By monitoring the volume of where a catalog resides, you can mitigate the issues that are related to catalog growth. Dataset group metrics let you analyze the storage usage of a specific application and create a report to show the total storage that is used in all your systems by a specific application. RAID hardware metrics let you keep track of available volumes in the specific RAID hardware devices so that a storage administrator can fix hardware connections and can correct the LPAR image configurations. Storage group metrics let you visualize the amount of storage that is assigned to a storage group. When you combine the allocation and the capacity of a storage group, you can identify the over-allocated group and the additional cost for your organization. Tapes metrics let you ensure that you have sufficient scratch tapes to meet your requirements. Tape metrics help you discover the scratch tapes usage pattern. Use this information to determine if you have enough scratch tapes to run your backups. ZFS metrics let you monitor the ZFS file usage by your applications. The applications fail when the ZFS file is overused above capacity. Historical analysis helps you to keep a steady group of applications and ensure that you get enough time to increase the ZFS and assign storage to meet your requirements. This concludes the release overview for CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence 2.0. In this video, you learned why you would want to use the enhanced UI to reduce clutter in your user interface and help you determine the root causes quicker. You also learned why you would want to implement the SMF adapter, such as if you have SMF 70 Subtype 1, 72 Subtype 3, and 74 Subtype 1 data, but you are not a CA Sysview or CA Vantage Storage Resource Manager customer. And you also learned why you would want to implement the CA Vantage Storage Resource Manager adapter for your storage performance analysis. This information can help you tune your mainframe operations, predict incidents, and improve collaboration among your team. If you would like to know more about this new release of CA Mainframe Operational Intelligence 2.0, you can find additional information at docops.ca.com. Thanks for watching.